Hi guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to sync the speed ramp with the song. Before we begin, check how it looks like. Now we begin. First, we need to import our video. After that, import the audio. Now select the audio and double-click the L button on your keyboard to open your waveform. Now add the marker where the beat drops. Delete the extra part of the song that is unnecessary. Adjust the video with the audio. Select the video and right-click, go the time and click time remapping. Now you can see a keyframe. Scroll the next beat drop. And then begin moving this time forward again. In my case, I will stop here. And then select the keyframe and press F9 to easy ease the keyframe. First of all, we need to speed up the beginning of the video. So, move the first handle like that. Now we need to speed up the video at the second keyframe. Grab that second handle and move it down. And now do the same thing for all the video clips. once you are done with Enable Frame Blending option by clicking here twice until you see this arrow. As you can see, the speed ramp is ready, and it looks amazing. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel.